everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Jackie and this is GB Creations. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am a jewelry designer slash artist and I do sketch or paint or any mixed media for my canvases. So if you're interested in looking at my jewelry, my artwork, or any other stuff that I will be posting on here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That way you can have updates when I upload videos. My goal now is to try to upload videos every 2 weeks. So I usually will be posting Tuesday and maybe Thursday, depending I guess on my schedule. But other than that, let's begin with what I'm going to be showing you today. So to begin with, let's go with this one here. These are all shiny beads mixed with the round beads. I don't know if you noticed that there are many different shapes. So right here in the bottom, these are kind of like a matte black, and these are a gold rounded bead. As you go up, you will see, oh, my camera's getting stuck. You will see the different type of beads. There's these ones that are kind of round, the pink ones, and the blue ones right next to her are like full round. If you look right at the next ones, those are a little bit different. They're round, but they have kind of like a weird cut shape. And as well as the top, they all have different styles, different colors. Some can be multicolor, like I think the ones right here are multicolor. There's different sizes, as well as the color. There's different colors. As you can see, for example, here, one of them is well, they're both opal, but one is man cut and the other one is or man-made, sorry. And the other one is just a regular opal. So the left is the man-made opal and the other one is just the regular opal. So there's different types of beads. There is a huge variety, so you can never have enough. So going down to the bottom, they're also all shiny beads, but they all have different type of colors and different type of sizes, as well as the cut design of them. They're all different. My personal favorite from this one are these right here, these white ones. They're all shiny and white. I've actually never seen some like those before, so I really love those. Going down at the bottom, if you can see, some of them are empty, so I need to go shopping. These are all the rest of the beads I have, and in the bottom, these are like random beads that I can't find anymore, so I have to make the best out of it, as the same ones here. These are my favorite too because they have a very unique cut to it. Let me see if I can get one. Sorry if I move the camera too much. So there's this one right here. It's like a square, and it's like mini squares in the middle. It has a different unique shape to it. I love those. Those are still on sale. I can get them online. Going back up here is all my crystals. We can't even talk, like I said earlier. We have the agate, the jasper, jade. We have rose quartz, amethyst, clear quartz, and we have tiger's eye. I even have like a lava rock. I don't know if you guys know, but it's the ones right here to your left. So for those, you can even put essential oils and the smell will last forever. Well, not forever, but for a good amount of time. The bottom here are just random beads that I have not used because I have no idea what to use it for. The same goes here with the random elephants and some other random charms. Going to the bottom, we have the pearl section. So these are all small and big size beads. These are all pearls, as you can see. And I hardly use pearls, but it's hard for me for some reason to do good combinations with pearls. I feel like pearls would go more with like as like long necklaces, or just a simple solid bracelet without a charm. I've tried with charm. They look a little weird, but that's me. I mean, if you guys have any ideas with pearls, you guys let me know. You comment down below. So these are all my collections so far. If you're wondering, since you guys have seen the other bracelets that have pony beads, yes, I do have a collection of that, but it's not as unique as the ones that I'm showing here. So I'm gonna start sharing the charms. So for my charms, this is mostly what I have, nothing too crazy. Except these are the Swarovski, however you say it. As you can see, I don't have that many because they are very expensive, but they're so shiny and adorable. These are the ones I have, if you want to take a look. I have, it's a very limited, so if they're on sale, I try to come up on some, but they're usually regular price and they're expensive. So for the charms, this is my collection so far. These are like shiny. Right here are all the crystals. Teapot, random. It's just all over the place. I have my Starbucks one right there. Kind of reminds me of like the cowboy, the one at the left with the turquoise. And this was like a Sailor Moon collection on the left again. I try to keep them organized. I need more little boxes to organize my charms because I have way too many. Moving on to this one. These are like little quotes that I used for a graduation collection. I don't know if you guys remember. If you're following me on Instagram, you probably saw it. I have some tassels here. I have a cute cactus there. Cowboy stuff. I have my lollipops. Some of the cute random charms there. I have gummy bears, donuts, Starbucks cups, obviously. I have some empty spots there so I can add on. Sorry, that just jumped. And then I have my superhero stuff. Some galaxy stuff right there with a random deer right there. Like, I seem terrible at saying it. And then I have some of those. The Sea Collection 2 and the, I guess, Evil Eye, a lot of people say it. Moving on to the top, I have a little bit more here. The corner to your right is kind of like a Disney collection. These are in the middle are hearts. The other big charms are just random charms I have there, as well as these two. They're just random pieces that I found. I usually do recycled jewelry, honestly. Like, I go to flea markets, or I go to, I don't know, Goodwill, somewhere around there, and if I find a bracelet in good condition, then I'll buy it, take it apart, and just make more jewelry out of it. Same here, there's the summer collection, and then there's a little bit of like the religious side with the crosses and the Virgin Mary. I try to do rosaries. I try my best, trust me. Going up, there's letters, there's like Tree of Life, and kind of like I don't know how I would describe it, kind of like good vibe charms. And then there's the horoscope, and there's some school charms, and then going across there's some key charms, my flower / peace sign charms. I have a little owl, and then there's random charms towards the end as well. Going up, there is flowers, ladybugs, mushrooms. These little cups, I usually fill them up with that glitter stuff that you see there, just for fun. As you move on, you will see music notes, turtles, and a cute little flower pendant there. I think it'd go good for a necklace. These right here, the red ones with white, they are cupcakes, and I see those as birthday cupcakes. So whenever any of my favorite customers has a birthday going on, then I will give them birthday bracelets, since they have been with me for such a long time and they've been buying stuff off of me. They sign up for the GBC club, so they get their free birthday bracelet. And of course, yes, I will switch it up every year for their birthdays. Going up here, there's the Christmas stuff, getting ready for Christmas, even though we're barely in October. And then if you move right to the corner again over here, there's the mermaid scale charms. Here is the autism cancer awareness charms, graduation charms, St. Patrick's Day charms, and lastly the Easter charms. So I have so many charms. There's still more to buy. I can never have enough. I just love them all so much. Can never have enough, like I said. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I am so sorry it took forever to post this video. I promise you, like I said, I will try to post every 2 weeks, probably Tuesday and Thursday. And this Thursday, I'd probably, or maybe earlier, maybe tomorrow, I will be posting the Halloween collection. So please stick around. Please hit the subscribe button if you're new. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and hope to see you next time.